Welcome to Platopedia, your window into the brain trust powering the future of Plateau State. At the heart of Plateau's planning and progress lies the Directorate of Research, Planning and Documentation, or simply the DRPD. Originally set up in 1999 and now revamped for results, this directorate sits right inside the governor's office, close to the pulse of decision-making. So, what does the DRPD actually do? Well, think of it as a unit led by the Director General with 7 power-packed clusters, each one headed by a sharp-minded director and focused on a key area of governance. From early warning systems to tracking security hotspots, this team keeps their eyes open so that Plateau can stay safe and responsive. Whether it's reducing legal costs or improving justice systems, this crew digs into laws and court decisions to protect the state's legal backbone. They are the storytellers, producing documentaries, organizing live forums, and keeping citizens informed with the facts that matter. Working with NGOs, donors, and the informal sector, this team connects. These are the monitors and advisors tracking government programs, analyzing public-private partnerships, and even reviewing public policy. These are the thinkers and planners of the political space, studying party dynamics, elections, and offering strategic insights to keep democracy vibrant. And let's not forget the digital brain of the operation, the Situation Room and Data Analysis Cluster. These are the data wizards turning numbers into knowledge. They manage the Situation Room, tracking real-time information, crunching data from all MDAs, and guiding the governor with insight that shapes real decisions. On Platopedia, we'll bring you behind the scenes, from exclusive interviews to data visualizations, policy briefs, to human stories from every corner of Plateau. Expect regular updates, deep dives, community voices, and everything you need to stay informed, empowered, and involved. The DRPD isn't just about research, it's about action. It's about Plateau, and Platopedia is your gateway. Follow, like, and share because the time is now and the story is ours to tell.